Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add extensions to Safari on your MacBook. Extensions can add extra features like ad blockers, password managers, and productivity tools. A lot of people don't realize Safari has its own extension store built right in. And installing extensions only takes a few minutes. So first, open Safari on your MacBook. Then move to the top left corner and click Safari in the menu bar. Now, click Safari Extensions. This will take you directly to the App Store page for Safari extensions. You'll see lots of different extensions available here. Some are free while others are paid. Once you find an extension you want, click Get or Install to download it. Your Mac may ask for your Apple ID password or Touch ID to continue. After the installation finishes, go back to Safari Settings and open the Extensions tab. Turn on the extension you just installed. Some extensions may also ask for website permissions. Click Allow if needed. You should now see the extension icon near the Safari toolbar. Some extensions may also ask you to sign in before using them. And that's it. You've successfully added an extension to Safari on your MacBook. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.